people, so this is my 12th video of the day, and in this video I have to review anardana, tasty digestive goli. So people, considering my channel is called Half Sindhi Little Mallu, did you know that while making this dish called koki, koki, they say the actress Karishma Kapoor is, koki is also called loli, loli. So Karishma Kapoor apparently would love Loli as a child, and that's why her pet name became Lolo. Quite interesting, right? So in while making koki, you need anardana as one of the ingredients. It gives you that khatta meetha flavor. So yeah, people. I don't want to rate it because see, but anardana it can give any dish that certain tang. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. And especially if it is a koki, while making the Sindhi dish koki. And considering this channel is called Half Sindhi Little Mallu, I think it's valid. So on that note, thanks for watching.